Hey everyone, welcome to the second section of the top level affiliate training series. So in this section, we're going to go over the most important aspect of any online business, which is list building. Okay, so basically in this section, I'm going to go over the basics of list building, like how to create high quality, high converting opt-in pages for free and also paid options. And then I'm going to explain how you can create amazing follow-up series that is going to just do your job automatically and basically keep selling new products to your customers, to your subscribers. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over, at the end of this section, I'm gonna go over how some amazing high converting funnels that I've created, and I'm just gonna explain everything. I'm gonna show you everything there is to know about them, and just show you what emails I'm sending, how they're working, and what's the whole idea behind every specific funnel. All right, so guys, let me tell you something. This is the most important part of any online business, which is list building. Let me tell you why. Basically, if you don't have a list, you don't have a business, because imagine you have a website, right? If you're not capturing your visitors, if you're not capturing their names and emails, they're just basically going to come to your website, maybe visit it, and then just leave. Okay, so it's really, really important to have a list. And when you have a list, you have instant traffic. I mean, when you have a new offer you want to sell, you can just send an email to your list and you can sell instantly. So it's really, really important to do email marketing, and it's really important to do it right, because the thing is, when it comes to email marketing, a lot of people are lazy about it, and I don't blame them, because it's not easy. But if you know what to do, it's really, really fun, and it's just going to make you a lot of money. Because I started my online business without making an email list. I didn't have an email list, and if I did, I would make so much money that I couldn't believe. So it's really, really important to have an email list. And let me tell you something, guys. The whole idea of having an email list is to capture your visitors, capture your traffic before sending them to your offers. For example, if you're promoting something on Facebook or YouTube, which that's kind of traffic that we're going to talk about in the next sections, you don't want to send them directly from your, YouTube video to your offer page, because that's a waste of traffic. You want to send your visitors to a landing page, capture their information, and then send them to the sales page. So if they don't buy that product, you can email them more and more. Just keep emailing them until they buy. Okay, so it's really, really important to capture these names, because when you have them, you have instant traffic and instant sales. All right, so and the last thing I'm gonna tell you in this video is to I'm letting you know that this is really not necessary. Okay, do I recommend it? Yes, I recommend you to definitely watch this section and start building your email list. Okay, but if you don't want to, because creating an email list, building an email list is gonna cost you some money. Okay, and if you're not comfortable with that at this moment, that's totally all right. Sorry about that. That's totally all right. You don't have to do it, but if you can, do not avoid it at all, because it's really important. So this section is not you don't have to do it, but I totally suggest you to do it. All right, so let's get started, and let's start building some awesome funnels and awesome lists. So let's go.